Chartered. Prime. Excellence. The journey to your dreams and ambitions in the corporate world starts with a single step. A step into an avenue that trains, hones, and harnesses skills. A step into an institution that extends quality service to make you become the best you. This is Bicol University, the prime university in the land of Bicolandia.
Bicol University is one of the largest universities in Region 5. It offers many courses in its different units in multiple campuses across the region.
One of the flagship courses of the Bicol University is the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. It is one of the programs offered by the university in one of its colleges in Daragaka, the College of Business, Economics and Management.
BSA is a 4-year course with a carefully planned curriculum implemented by equally trained professors who are as well products of BU Department of Accountancy.
Students under this program have varied reasons for choosing BSA and BU, one of which is the prestige image of CBAM.
For years, CBAM has been known to produce the most competent accountants, becoming top workers and having successful careers.
It cannot be denied that the accountancy program in BU CBAM is a program that is equally leveled to that offered in the top-performing schools in the Philippines. But with such excellence comes the challenges. The DOA imposes the 2.4 cut-off policy for major subjects to remain in the program. This pushes the BSA students to understand that a single point in the average could change the entire trajectory of their lives.
Accountancy takes a conceptual and practical approach requiring analytical skills. Staying up late, studying lengthy discussions, grasping complex procedures are necessary for survival. As accountancy students, you learn to devote less time to social activities, budge night outs and parties, because undeniably, the longer you stay in the program, the more demanding it becomes.
DOA offers chances in form of comprehensive examinations and cost recovery programs to students who do not meet the retention policy. Clearly, the Department of Accountancy offers a good deal of experience for anyone preparing for a career, since the department owns their undergraduates to be more competent and molded enough in adjusting to the range of challenges of an accountant.
Earning a bachelor's degree in accounting is what every accountancy student works hard for. And beyond that lies the aspiration of becoming a certified public accountant, passing the licensure examination, and having that CPA title placed after their names.
But it takes courage,
It takes grit
it takes hard work
to be qualified,
to survive,
to stand proud.
to have all the hassles paid off.
BU DOA is offering you the best.
The question is,
Are you ready for it?